In this SnapNinja AI review, I'm going to be showing you a software that will let you record, screen capture, and edit videos like a pro in just 60 seconds. And make sure you stay to the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades, how you can get a discount on every single one of them, including a discount on the offer you see on the sales page. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals in upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out SnapNinja AI, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses that you're going to be getting if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says replace expensive and reoccurring video apps like Camtasia and Loom forever. World's first AI app that lets you record, screen capture, and edit videos like pro in just 60 seconds without being on camera, technical skills, or past experience required. So essentially, it is a video recording software that will allow you to edit. You can translate it, you can record, you can manipulate the videos, all in one platform. You don't have to be paying for things like Camtasia, which is upwards of $300 a year. Loom, which is just $15 a month, but it adds up. Adobe After Effects, Final Cut Pro, all these other ones, etc. You can get rid of those and just use this. Now, step one, it says record your screen with one click without installing any software. Record your screen and face simultaneously in one click, just like what I'm doing right now. Record your screen and audio simultaneously in just one click. And record your live streaming videos in just 60 seconds. Record your live streaming audios. Take screenshots of entire screens. Edit any video in just a few clicks. Create and make animated videos with AI. Generate subtitles. Add logos. Compress your videos to how you want them to be. Trim them. It says get the wrong angle when shooting. Get right by rotating the vehicle. Cut the video in several parts in clicks, etc. I mean, all kinds of things that this can do. I could go through all of them, but it would take forever. You can go and look at that on your own time. Now let me bring you down here to the bottom of this. If you purchase, you get access to all these different things listed right here for a low one-time price. If you move your mouse away, you can also get a discount. I make less as an affiliate by showing you that, so please hit that like button. I appreciate it. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and play you a quick video explaining this a little bit more. Then I'm gonna come back and show you the backend area, the OTOs, and the discounts.
Do you know, AI is putting people left and right out of business, which can be scary for some people. But for us, we see this as an opportunity. It's an opportunity that allows us to profit from. One of the industries that got hit severely is video editing. AI will soon replace every one of them. But if you are someone looking to exploit that to make money like this, then listen up. We created world's first AI app that lets you record, screen capture, and edit your videos in just 60 seconds without installing any extension. It is everything that an experienced video editor can do, only 9 times better and faster than anyone. Not just that, it also creates screen recording and takes screen capture for your video within a fraction of the time. Here are the amazing features blow up your mind. Record your screen with one click without installing any software. Take screenshot of entire screens from laptop in easy manner. Edit any videos like pro in just a few clicks. Create and make animated videos with AI. Generate subtitles for your video automatically. Add a logo to your video without any difficulties. Compress your video to the size that you desire. Cut the video to the perfect length instantly. Join several videos together to double the video fun. Get the wrong angle when shooting? Get right by rotating video. Cut your video in several parts and clicks. Edit video subtitles, captions online. Upload a video or photo and create a meme in seconds. Convert text to creative images with an AI image generator. Convert MP4 to MP3 online for free in seconds. Resize video online to fit different social media platforms. Convert audio files to MP3 with a few clicks. Convert your audio files to MP3 or WAV format quickly. Share your online screenshot in just a few clicks. Download your online screenshot in just a few clicks. Share your screen online in just a few clicks. Download your screen online in just a few clicks. Set up subdomains and advanced SSL. No domain and hosting required. Free SSL included, no technical skills required. 24/7 premium support to solve all your issues on time. Commercial license included. All of those videos were generated with the power of our specialized AI engine with zero work or experience. All we did was tell our AI what we wanted to generate, and that's it. Without designing anything, without recording anything, and without editing or montaging anything. Not only does SnapNinja AI generate, edit, and montage any video you want, it also comes with over 50 other video tools completely powered by AI and tons of other features. Not just that, it also generates any image or design you may need in your videos. Listen, you don't need any kind of experience to get started with SnapNinja AI. All you need is to click a few buttons and that's it. Here, let me show you how easy it is to get started. Step 1, log into SnapNinja AI dashboard. Step 2, select the feature you want for your video. AI will do all the work for you. Step 3, enjoy. AI will give you your new video within seconds. That's it. SnapNinja AI works for everyone. Affiliate marketers, product owners, coaches, e-com store owners, agency owners, and anyone who is looking to make a side income online. How much is this going to cost me? In simple words, SnapNinja AI is priceless. It's the first to market app that does everything for you, leaving one job to you: profits. I can literally charge tens of thousands of dollars for it, but I make enough money for using SnapNinja AI, so I don't need to charge you that. I use it on a daily basis, so I don't see why I should give you access to it. So for a limited time only, I'm willing to give you access of SnapNinja AI for a fraction of the price, less than the price of a cheap dinner, which is enough for me to cover the cost of the servers running SnapNinja AI, but that won't last long. While SnapNinja AI is impossible to saturate, our servers can only handle so many users. So sadly, I'll have to limit the number of licensees I can give. After that, I'm raising the price to $997 monthly. And trust me, that day will come very, very soon. So you better act quickly and grab your copy while you can. Listen, right now, you have the option to change your life with just a few clicks. We created this for people exactly like you. And in the unlikely event that you failed to use SnapNinja AI for any reason, we insist that you send us an email. It's simple. If you don't make money, we don't want your money. Click the button below and get access to SnapNinja AI plus an exclusive bundle of bonuses worth over $10,000. I'll see you inside.
Okay, so we're back. So this is the backend area that you'll have access to after you purchase. You can do all your screen recordings and editing right inside of here. There are multiple upgrades. First one is a premium version. This is going to remove their AI branding, Also, it's going to give you more online screen recording, more screenshots, more professional videos, all this stuff. It will add it into your account. Now, you will want to move your mouse away as you can get a discount on it. Again, I make less as an affiliate by showing you that, so please hit that like button. I appreciate it. Next one, it says remove all SnapNinja AI account restrictions. So this is one's going to give you the unlimited package. So you get more. It says you can get unlimited video, screen and video editor, unlimited, like all the different features are going to be unlocked with this. So this, again, is an optional upgrade. Move your mouse away to get that discount. Next one is going to allow you to create audiobooks in 100 languages. Again, move your mouse away to get that discount. Then they've got another one here where they'll set it up and they say, well, create $500 per day on autopilot. I don't believe that, but it's a done for you edition. Move your mouse away and get a discount. Next one is an image creator. It looks like it can do visuals, including unblurred videos, unblurred. Looks like it does all kinds of stuff with this. So anyways, there's another upgrade. Move your mouse away and get a discount. Then you can get the agency license to sell unlimited copies of it. You know what to do. Then they've got another one here where you can get another reseller edition. And the last one is white label. Move your mouse away, get a discount. All these OTOs are optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I like about SnapNinja AI and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about it, it's not going to be better than Camtasia. It's not going to be better than Final Cut Pro. I mean, these are professional softwares that cost hundreds of dollars and they have incentives to keep it like being better. So just be aware, it's going to be a low-cost software. It's not going to be the best software ever. What do I like about it? That being said, it's very, very inexpensive. If you're on a budget, if you don't want to be spending hundreds of dollars a month or hundreds of dollars a year, this could be something that's right for you, then check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my SnapNinja AI review. If you want to take a look at it, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again in my next video.